Hey guys, and welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fee here, and today we're doing a Skims try on unboxing, try on haul. If you thumbnail, if you participated in their sale, you know what's up. So let's get into that. But before we get into that, make sure you subscribe to this here channel. Click that red subscribe button so I know it's real. You know, we're on the road to 2K, so get me lit so we can do more stuff like this. Because, you know, without that, there's no this, right? Okay, so for the sake of not getting demonetized, because you know YouTube don't be playing, we are going to just unbox the underwear sets that I got, and then we are going to I'll try on the tops that I got. Okay, is that cool with y'all? Is that cool with y'all? Can we go like that? All right, so first things first is the low-rise boy shorts. I got them in an extra large. I should have gotten them in a large because I did get the pants from Skims before, and I got those in an extra large and they was too big, so I should have known better to get a large, but here we go. Here we go. These are the boy shorts, extra large and camo, okay? I really like how the band is super thick. I like that about them. Okay, so what else did I get? Next is the brief. I also got these in an extra large and in camo. So that's what these look like. Super cute. Again, has a thick band. We love a thick band. All right. And then I got, oh, you know, I had to go with the, this is the sculpting mid-waist thong, and I got that in black. Now this thing is tiny. I'm pretty sure it's gonna stretch when you put it on and snatch you up in there, but it is a thong. So there's that. And I got this one in a large, extra large. Okay, so lastly for the underwear, I got the, what's this one? This also is in camo. And this is like the low scoop thong. And I'm assuming it's because the way this is. Super cute and camo. So I know y'all probably like, why should you get everything in camo? Well, because, you know, although black and white are usually people's go-tos under their clothes, nudie camo stuff that's closer to your skin tone also works too. Don't never say I ain't never told y'all nothing. I ain't put y'all on nothing. But let's try on the bralettes and bodysuits. So first things first, I got this bralette, and I got this one in a size 2X because I was trying to size up. So let's go try this on. Fingers crossed, okay? Okay, so this is what the bralette looks like. So, I mean, it's doing what it's supposed to do. Actually, I'm not mad at it. This is what the back looks like. So I guess it wasn't too bad getting it sizing up for the 2X. I like it. The point of me getting it was to wear under certain like open shirts, and I feel like it's doing its job. Is it super supportive? If you need like mass support, this ain't the one for you. If you have big chest and you need mass support, this ain't the one for you. Otherwise, we good over here. Okay, so also I got this like waffle pattern bralette. It has the buttons, super cute. The buttons actually work. We love a multifunctional, okay? See how this one is open and these ones are closed? They actually work. I got this one also in the 2X. Well, let's go see how this is gonna how it's gonna look. I did, again, try to size up because, but also that doesn't look like it has any type of support at all. I just love how the camo looks against like this color skin. So if you're looking for support, this ain't it. This ain't the one, this ain't the two, okay? But it's cute, especially if you're like planning on wearing it with other things. Like, I have to keep this covered because if you new here, this one, well, areola gonna just pop out when they want to. But as far as the look that we was looking for, achieved. This is super cute. We outside, you know, summer things. The 2X, could I have gone a little? If you're looking for support, this ain't it. But is it cute? Yes. Do we have to have all 3 buttons buttoned? Yes. But it's cute. We're here for the fashion. We're not here for the mechanics, okay? Let's get to the next one. Lastly, I got the scoop neck tank bodysuit. And I got this one in a size large, extra large, and that's what this looks like. This is the back. Obviously, I'm gonna keep my shorts on for this one because, again, we ain't getting demonetized for Skims now. Because we ain't getting paid for this. So Skims is not about to get me demonetized because the skins is out, okay? That's what we ain't about to do. So, for this bodysuit, honey, it's see-through. So, if you're a bold baddie, you good to go. However, I think I will wear a bra under this because you can see my everything, okay? We ain't doing that. That's not the show we're putting on here. But other than that, although we've seen how tiny it was, it fits perfectly. Yeah, I think I would just wear like a bra under it though. This is what the back looks like. All right. So let's see if my hair will cover this up. Yes, so if you are a bold baddie, I can see you out here with no bra on, but for this one here, I think I will wear a bra. But it's cute. Not denying it, it's stretched out good. It didn't overstretch, it didn't understretch. It fits perfectly. And it's thin enough and good for summer, but because of that, you're gonna need a bra. Alright guys, so that wraps it up for this Skims unboxing and try on haul. I could not end the video in that shirt because, whoo, talking about getting demonetized. We're here to make money, not lose it. Sorry. If that's what you came to see, you wasn't getting that over here. Either way, it's been real. It's your girl Fee. Make sure you subscribe to this here channel. Also, don't forget, we're on the road to 2K, so subscribe here. Check out my TikTok. I'll put the link to that in my description as well. It's been real. Let me know what I should try on next. I do have a little Shein box over here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a box over there. Right there. It's Shein stuff that I need to unbox and do a try on haul. But I got y'all. It's coming. It's coming. It's been real though. It's your girl Fee. And peace.